Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will help you unleash your creativity and earn money at the same time. In this video, we'll be providing a complete guide on becoming a Shutterstock contributor. Whether you're a photographer, illustrator, or videographer, Shutterstock offers a fantastic platform for you to showcase your work and earn a passive income. So let's dive right in. 1. Introduction to Shutterstock. Before we get started, let's briefly talk about what Shutterstock is. Shutterstock is one of the largest online marketplaces for creative content, including photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, and more. It connects content creators like you with potential buyers from all around the world. 2. Getting started. The first step to becoming a Shutterstock contributor is to create an account on their website. Simply visit submit.shutterstock.com and click on the Become a Contributor button. Fill in the necessary information and complete the registration process. Once you've signed up, you can start submitting your work for review. 3. Types of content. Shutterstock accepts various types of content, including photos, illustrations, vectors, and videos. As a contributor, you have the flexibility to choose the type of content that suits your skills and interests the best. Make sure to read their guidelines and requirements for each category before you begin uploading. 4. Quality and technical guidelines. Shutterstock has strict quality and technical guidelines to ensure that the content meets their standards. These guidelines include aspects like resolution, composition, lighting, focus, and noise reduction. It's crucial to pay attention to these details to increase the chances of your work getting accepted. 5. Keywording and metadata. Once your content is approved, the next step is to add relevant keywords and metadata. These are essential for customers to discover your work easily. Take the time to research and choose appropriate keywords that accurately describe your content. Shutterstock provides tools and suggestions to assist you in this process. 6. Model and property releases. If your content includes recognizable people or private property, you'll need to obtain model or property releases. These releases grant permission to use the images commercially and protect you and Shutterstock from any legal issues. Always ensure you have the necessary releases before submitting your content. 7. Pricing and earnings. Shutterstock has a tiered pricing system based on the customer's subscription plan and the contributor's level. As a contributor, you start at the beginner level, and as your portfolio grows and your content sells, you can advance to higher levels, earning more per download. Keep in mind that Shutterstock takes a percentage of each sale as their commission. 8. Promotion and growing your portfolio. Finally, don't forget to promote your work and actively grow your portfolio. Engage with the Shutterstock community, participate in challenges and contests, and share your content on social media platforms. The more exposure your work receives, the higher the chances of attracting potential buyers. Conclusion. And that wraps up our complete guide to becoming a Shutterstock contributor. Remember, becoming successful on Shutterstock requires patience, persistence, and high-quality content. So get out there, capture stunning photos, create amazing illustrations, or produce compelling videos, and start earning money doing what you love. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy creating!